Hey girls, welcome back to my channel for another video this week. If you're new to my channel, I am GeranikaMycia, but all my friends call me G. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back this week and clicking on my face. And if you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and follow your girl on Instagram at GeranikaMycia for all of my fabulous updates, and come back each week for new videos and uploads. Today I'm going to be showing you girls how to look expensive and how to elevate any look or outfit with just the simplest, smallest tweaks and tips. The days when I want to look very chic and expensive, I always like to mix highs and lows. Every time I say highs and lows, I think about when Nene read Tanya her rights for saying swag was a low. But when I say low in this video, it's no shade, honey, or tea. So drink it, don't catch it, girl. For me personally, I like to mix highs and lows because I feel like you don't have to necessarily have on a super expensive outfit. Your whole outfit do not have to be designer or luxury. You can literally take pieces from Gucci, mix it with Zara. You can take pieces from anywhere. It all depends on how you put it together. Me personally, I don't like to spend a lot of money on expensive clothes. I think it's very good to invest in pieces, but like just a full wardrobe of luxury things, I personally don't, because I like to wear my clothes. I mean, I don't want to get a bleach stain on a $5,000 jacket or a $500 jacket. I don't mind ruining something from like Zara. It's okay, I can like replace it. But me personally, I like to invest my money in my accessories and shoes and bags more than just indulging in luxury clothes. So today in this video, I'm going to be taking highs and lows, mixing them together to show you guys how to look expensive in your everyday life. Actually going to go ahead and just start off with the look that I'm wearing today. And right now I just have on a cami, a basic cami from Zara, and I showed you guys these camis in my wardrobe revamp video. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. And I just paired it with a cape blazer from Forever 21. Now this blazer is very old. I'm sure they don't have it anymore, but I purchased this blazer way back when Forever 21 actually had good quality clothes. Now everything just looks like it's straight out of China, honey, and I personally don't shop there anymore. And I just paired it with a pair of jeans also from Forever 21. This is also back when Forever 21 was just doing her thing. As you guys can see right now, this outfit is pretty like basic, very bland. I have on no accessories. I still have on my house shoes. So I'm going to just show you guys how to take how I would take this look from just blah to oh girl. So right now I just have on one ring from now when accessorizing, you never want to over accessorize, or anytime I want to look expensive, my go-to look will be all black. As you see, this rack back here is full of black, or I would do white. Now with this look, I paired it with, like I said, a pair of just simple cute jeans. But if you wanted to do something more dressed up, you can pair it with like maybe some very cute white flare pants, or I just kept it very simple because I didn't want it to be too dressed up. I wanted it to have like a very simple chic look. So all I'll do is add like my Air Max click clack bracelet. Now with this bracelet, it's the size GM. I actually need a PM because your girl lost 20 pounds and her wrists are so small now. So this bracelet is actually too big for me, so I'm gonna probably get rid of it. I'm not sure yet. I actually just ordered the extra wide click clack, so I'm excited to get that in. So to elevate this look, I will add something very simple and cute on my wrist with like a cute ring. And also, I don't want to do too much with this look, so I'm going to add my Celine aviators. Now these aviators are older. It's like way from the Phoebe Philo collection when she was the creative director over Celine. But these are my favorite. They're like these really pretty pink aviators. And I will also pair, hold on, this look. Now this bag is a Zara bag. I got it on clearance when I was in New York, guys. Zara had like y'all gonna hear this a lot on my channel. Zara have great bags. Please do not sleep on Zara. If my bags aren't luxury or designer, they're from Zara, okay? So it's this really cool oval sized shaped bag. It can be used as a clutch, and it also has a crossbody strap. Now with this look, by me having on a cape blazer, I would just go ahead and hold it like that. Real cute. See, and me, I don't like to over accessorize, so just with the cuff, the ring, the bag, the glasses, it's giving me like, oh, expensive. Now y'all know I say we're going to be mixing highs and lows, so I'm going to be, for the shoes, I'm going to go high. The bag, we went low. This bag was actually on clearance for $30, and I purchased it last year from a Zara in New York. I also got it in the other color they had. It's like a gunmetal. Now hold on, these shoes are my absolute favorite shoes in my closet, guys. They're these gorgeous Dior booties, and I believe this collection is from the 2015 or 14 spring, no, it was like fall winter collection. I know it was like 2014 2015, but these are my favorite Dior booties. Look how gorgeous these shoes are. They have this really cool heel. Oh my god, look at this. The contrast, I love how they have this super high arch in the back, so it like goes up my leg, and they tie with the bow. I would just pair it with, yeah. Look how cute these shoes are with this outfit. I hope you guys can see them. Very simple but cute, not doing too much, and they look very elevated. Like, these booties are just everything. And just that simple, we took an outfit from to, oh girl, just a cuff, a bag, some really cute Dior booties, some Celine glasses, and like with this outfit, as you see, most of the accessories are expensive, and the outfit, I didn't go too crazy. But yes guys, this is one way to look expensive. Okay, now to the real tea. Anytime I want to look expensive or put together, especially when I'm like rushing out the house, I always go for black. Black is something that I can wear every single day. I absolutely love black. So your girl has mastered how to buy and shop for black. Anytime I'm shopping for black, I always look for things that I know won't fade. It has great material, great quality. It's all about quality when you want to look put together and expensive. Don't focus too much on the quantity, but you want to focus on the quality, because if you have really good pieces, it's going to take you a very long way. Anytime I'm getting dressed, when I know I'm gonna wear all black, I like to get dressed next to a window, because that natural light is going to tell you if your blacks are matching. You never want to mix a dingy black with like a jet black, or you want all your blacks to just be together. And also keep a lint roller on deck. Keep it with you in your bag, car, whatever, because throughout the day you're gonna have to like lint roll your clothes, because stuff gets on black. Duh, we know this. You don't want to walk around looking like you got cat hair all over you, so keep you a lint brush. So the first tip I would suggest on elevating a look, especially when you're wearing all black or just anything, I would say invest in a designer belt. A designer belt is something that's going to just elevate any look. And right now I'm just wearing a bodysuit from Zara and a pair of trousers from BCBG, and I'm going to just reach for my Gucci Marmont belt, and I'm going to add it to this look, and just watch how effortless and chic this outfit is going to go just in a matter of seconds. And just that quick, we added this belt. If you want to, you can stop there, but I'm going to show you guys a couple more ways how you can elevate a look. Another tip on elevating any look, I would suggest go for a hat, especially a good wide brim hat or like a newsboy hat. With this look, I'm going to go for a newsboy hat because it's just so chic and cute. So it's just this really cute black wool hat that I purchased from H&M. Okay, look how cute this is. And right now I just added my regular gold cuff. It depends on what else I would add to this look. Me personally, I don't like to mix too many designers. If I don't add any other label or designer, I would just add my black Air Max click clack bracelet, because it always elevates any look. So always, I would say definitely invest in a designer belt and some good luxury jewelry to elevate any look. Next tip on elevating your look, I would suggest invest in a good leather jacket. Like a leather jacket is going to take your wardrobe so far, either a leather jacket or a good moto jacket. Now behind me on this rack I have 5 different leather and moto jackets. and I think these are all the ones I have. These are my favorite ones, and I'm going to show you guys. So the first one is this really gorgeous vinyl jacket that I purchased from H&M a couple years back, and it's a crop jacket. Let me just show you. This will actually look really good with what I have on. This jacket is just the bomb. Like, who said, like, what? Who said you can't wear black every day? Y'all, look at this. I would literally kill this outfit. I could probably do my Chanel vanity and add that with a good thigh high or knee high. Any kind of boot will go with this, but for this look I would do a over the knee boot, all black sleek zip up over the knee boot. So good with it. Now this one is very edgy. That's why I have so many, because I feel like you need a different moto jacket for any occasion. So like, it's two different styles. Like the one I have on right here is more chic, pulled together, and this one I will wear with like an oversized t-shirt, like some Balenciaga sneakers, and maybe a crossbody something. This one is more edgy. Now this one is an oversized motor jacket, which I definitely love, especially when I'm traveling in a winter time. I like this oversized because I like to wear hoodies under this one. So definitely invest in a good leather or motorcycle jacket. Next tip, I would definitely say invest in a good pair of sunglasses, whether they're designer or not. Just make sure you get a pair that can almost go with any look that you're going for in your wardrobe. So my go-to glasses, especially for winter time, not so much summer, I would say is my oversized Gucci glasses, and these look so good, guys, with almost anything. Look at this. It look good with this look, or I can wear this with a oversized button up, a hoodie, almost anything. These glasses are so good. And I have another pair of glasses that you guys continue to see in like all my videos. There are these glasses that I paid $10 for from a pop-up, and they're basically the dupe for these Gucci glasses. I purchased these right before I got the Gucci glasses because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go ahead and spend the money on these, so I end up getting these, which they pretty much do. If I'm going somewhere and I don't want to take these or get these ruined or worry about losing them, I'll just go for these. So always definitely go for a good pair of sunglasses, and as you see, they don't have to be luxury or designer. Next, I would definitely suggest you guys invest in a good bag. Now the bag that I love that's so versatile is my Saint Laurent Calige bag. Now this bag pretty much does the job. Anytime I'm either wearing my workout clothes or oversized t-shirt, or if I want to be super dressed up, I can literally reach for this bag and not do too much. Now right now I'm back with the same outfit that I had on once we started. I don't have on no accessories, pretty much nothing. So I'm going to show you guys how this bag could just be dressed up super easy, and I'm gonna just pair this with my black Rick Owens blazer. I always like to pull my sleeves up because who really wears full-length blazers? And we're gonna go for the glasses that we tried on in our bag. And just like that, guys, look how cute this is. Really easy, really simple but clean. Now with this look, I will go for a Gucci mule. I will go for the mules with the fur on them, because I mean, this is so appropriate. Like the Gucci mule will be super appropriate, or my Gucci loafers. Anything like very clean, or depends on where I'm going. I will also pair this with a good maybe Hermes sandal or a cute black sandal. Definitely invest in a good bag. A bag is just something that's gonna be very useful in your wardrobe, and even if like you get tired of the bag, you don't like it, you grow out of it, you can always resell it, consign it. And ladies, your bags do not have to be super brand new. You don't have to go to the store. You can buy pre-loved. People be sleeping on pre-loved. Another person's trash is always another person's treasure, girls. So definitely check out different pre-loved websites to invest in you a good bag. So these are pretty much all the tips that I go to for my everyday looks to like look expensive, especially when I'm like rushing or I'm just like not trying to do too much. Always invest in good quality pieces. They don't all have to be luxury or designer. You just want great quality pieces. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And also I want to do a get to know me video, so if you guys have any questions, comment down below so I can get that video started for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video.